a man at home.
Emma on one home. No book at the nipa. We just stand at that dreaming soon consono. Meaning so will be a. What me and Jay say, what me and my found stand so what moves as Papa was soon to me, German home. Now you start of funny bar. A dear over to me at Jenny Amman home, what a Jenny be a mammy. What me up that apple and I would come and cook from dinner because we are destiny. I mean, go to Mama Hammer. The only way I get to me, I catch and this is what it said. Mahama no was soon to me, and I see only do one. Once a son in Knamano, then Preco, Ningano, then Ponche, and then Kra, and near my name, no phone copy. That's what to me, German who we are. Not what to me, I could drama, Sankraman, and one would do a good one. That's one German who and there, and they let Ghana be peace, fix the lights. Mahama, fix the light because Mr. When you said Ghana or no, I saw the video living. So when you say, I saw that and a Ghana phobia at the year of living.
Yes.
I skank and a Ghana phobia at the year of living. And near my bebre or Tom and Omudia year or living.
Yes.
But what to meet now? Na udundum kania wo bia no wasa dia kwhye wo predecessor abra wo predecessor ekono ogina parliament. The last speech was say, I am so glad that I've left the light on before I'm living in power. He said it.
Yeah.
He said it. E deben ti na wo begina ho na wadin tro e dia track memfo no. We had enough of you people. Please give us a break. My adrenaline, your corner see, your Tennessee, your consumer. It need peace, it need to think. Check your MPP here. I admire Kojo Nkrumah so much. That man, me penasem naturally, personally, me penasem. Or kasa, utumuse nyansa wom, about wom. Otumitnase analyzing yaman and or car obi dintra we share the wuso dintro kojo upon koma face comes naturally with the truth or the two what say mouth say bam Mahama nko fo na hwema ya wo si wo all church say banche idiot mongos like that say banche na wo kumasi jom for ma omo kwa anopa mache no 9 ekoto banche koto niema omo wi omo ton omo nya bi omo anya bi odi akodi akofie ni akobo fufu anase ampesie ene ne mane ne mbadi on tena obi ana ne kunsu bafia ba bedidi on san tena hokwasea on san tena hona mo obi nso ma mefa Ghana for say you have lied in your teeth to Ghanaian people. Stop lying. And this is what we fucking had enough of you. Enough is enough. Namunkano kre. Swat ya se. And I'm di kaka no. Say the odia ni mu ne yira. Omo mu di ache ni nyina yira. Eti Mahama pak wunya ne no nkraman foko gugum. Ada obetumi adwene ama wo hu e wo tinna si wo kon no so no. Not what to jam one in Yanin, broken and Clamano. No what Jawa move back, no Jawa, no my baba back in public. So what I say, has added to the word thing to employ with their Sharia, what you mobilizes to come out there and lie to citizens. Now we are arrested because she wanted that one antam would the Ayira. That would not grim. Say to me, be a new. You can't sustain your anger or become me or smoke up and a police is should be boy a chrono head. Mr. Ma for sure you son and Becca tell me when Madame for Allah Tenibia or Castle or Pessoa in the Echo School or Ghana and a mem one. Now I can start the big and say, I like a four police for no a drama joa. They are not longer a police. A coyote come protected citizens. They know what they do in the night. In the daytime, you see them as a police. If it's a baby cost to Ghana, I'm brought back here to say that I was allegedly say Ghana for police before become. Shania say, so what you say? When you not security is so loose, our man because one lead they also on to mean take a decision, on to mean gentleman. He is leading you. So how can that person take care of him and come and take care of him? But yesterday you voted for him. We a nurse, we a teacher, we a farmer. All of you ambush Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and you voted for him. So Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia ne baya and ka country no ayedai go forward. Every day, Pia MPP bebo baba sister niema papa dia mam omano. Yankasa MPP no mo yakunkno. Yankasa, but they were trying after COVID, no, they were trying to put things in place.
Yeah.
Asa normal lift the country up. Kamok de ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia kabana ki kwa and I'm the command and near man kitten. Leader or bad the beer a dear kitten to me, Jonaman mine. How did you vote for that leader? Because what they can't catch us on to me take a decision. But what come kokromoti? We are graduate, who could take qualification. The brave what come kokromoti? I could talk about Edema. You're so to me make a decision. How can that person make decision for you? Someone would your father. And fear me and the worst is about to come. Say I'm born paying poor and let trade young punyanko attached to ya and son will be flabber anymore, not a maton Ghana. Because Mahama is what? He's a greedy bastard. Mahama is a selfish. He doesn't think about anybody except himself and his family. And what do we no ambush him? They are trying to pin you down. What can you say? Because you bring him in power. You voted for him. You brought Mahama in power. You put him in the silver platter. So he can make nonsense to you without thinking of it. Without a blink. And a man for now, I hope to say, Ghana phone penny for. Is it you scratch my back, I scratch your back? And then a constitution, no to me from my public. Namo magana for and choose the omope. Said the beer or beer, but him hammer bonny will do or mine. He will go scot free because or will be beer a bon home buying. And penny for I don't know what dear brosa. Constitution for can cabinet to me trod the Maya queen. Who is Mahama? Samusin Nanado no beer. Who is Mahama? At least we have benefit from Nanado. We have benefit from Nanado so much. Any Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. We have benefit from NDC MPP leaders. We have benefit from them. Who is Mahama? What Mahama have done for you? Apart from so ba or see or money trust and Mahama onimiye. Aden and mama and quantayra in Ghana for. Any Ghana for penny for. Aden mama and quantayra. A country now is about to turn 70 years next year. Monshe baby or man in nam. Monshe baby or man in nam. So what do a mind? It will be only wisdom. Not on to mean Jenny, and not on to mean taking decision, man. What do you want the country to head to? At a car, the tie up to a motorway. What they are preparing now when Hunyansa how to move the steer. I'm Pebe and Kunku, but one can summer sort of ne airco. Uba one who Sana Mahama what they in Ayeko. Sana Mahama dear Neko because of Nyansa Nini Ibrahim Mahama. Nitine Tiasona. One dear a genema one kwang, then genema Munibia, then genema Kurebiano. Et me to Ghana for a shuffle and infunibi and what tall warm and what do a man at na car ne tie a betu no do a moko. Obejina no wa hye na nikiki.
I know
No odi mu rough no okasa se de ope. Ghana for dia mo ye mo amu ye. Adia wan kasa wudu kokromoti aye wo hu from fie nan eye. And they will still come back and you guys will buy them their vote again. Because one woman say mo petika sene mo ho. Na wo ye me maame, wo ye me wofa, wo ye me sewa. Wo ti edwomu mantwe bi. Na edebia wo koso a wo ba na wo ninsa ne 9 months. Na wo wo no na wo so wo ba no omra memeyeye no omfa bi mehwe wo no. Na debia wo bi de ne sika ebe ton vote every single day over kokromoti with 5 million, 10 million, 20 million for 5 years. What do you think the country will be? Because I was Kana or he has to benefit from it. And the mamu or mano, mahama sister a good kaya, the tie any day, any. Nana do hono, only Dr. Lad Mahmoud, but many trade ministers, with their common sense, MPP they sat down as a man. We have the men in MPP, and that's what bought because they can think the box. 133 okay. Say MPP initiative ya. Eka omotumia ye bibia fa ho dada. So omanya na nkwa ni mukra they will do something. How did they say they will bring free education? They did it through Napo almost sati bibia. Say 133 say MPP initiative nkoma ye bibia fa ho. On sa mutomu ntumi 24 hours in economy no say MPP na ya omuga fa kwa bi so make sure say 24 hours in economy no sanko ba bia kwa they will have a particular place that it will sustain to make sure to prove to people say omo 24 hours in economy so nkwasiafo bi say na mudi mu kokromoti koto abadema on say omo ntumi kranka adekora 24 hours ni mi no mo say banche me maami kodwoma wako sole no na yakọ pre anya banche obetono obetena ho anadwene biom anaso obi baba je banche na firi nsama ton come on ndc for yen jimi ti samu yen dwene ti samu yen dream future ahead us yen dream future backwards in us ya dwene ekoye ni ya dwene koye chi mo na mo dwene komochi etina mo bibia mo de ba eyen kitenkiten please guys grow up fix Ghana. That is what mo klama no etra social media bia so ya tata media mfi okuda ka brokwa earlier man Sam George Olutubo Munya Ghana ye Munya Ghana. You told people, say, Mubatumia is the best more than MPP. And they are giving you the chance. Do it. Fix the lights. And stop making complaints. Fix the light. Now, I'm out for living. Living with. So, why your ice block? No, the ice can seller. Why your pure water? No alcohol. The freezer, I pure water. So, if there is no lighter, how can they make a living? You do some. And this for ye besamo. Madjuna no. Na the only thing so want to me jura. Menka samo wa juna na sama juna ne puni ene gum. Don't tell it the guma juna ne mo. Mo ye moa. Mo juna ma Ghana. Na mo jama du fudi pe kro no na mo ko o mani mo na mo bono. Na mo live citizens no because Mahama Sika wo wie nyina no. That money comes from the citizen. It doesn't come from anybody. The crown all born nano. It belongs to the citizen. Mahama, please. Should I say please?
No.
Or what word do you want me to tell you? Fix the country and stop all your rubbish doing in Ghana. So we could see 24 hours market. We could see 24 hours market bia. Mo ba ye can't say no more baby. Procurement. No move from Akronfo protest. Mo ba Ghana na ambroba tiate. Munima police phone na allegedly mo ba Ghana and the movie bokrono. Please face Ghana, Mr. President John Daraga Mahama Froster. Face Ghana. We had enough of you and we are tired of you. Ghanaians people need to feed. The students need to be fed. That is not what you promised them. You promised them discotheque. You promised them 24 hours. You promised them pizza. You promised them ice cream. Mr. John Daraga Mahama gave them all of them. Let your promise work and stop that your concobi stories now. When you Daraga any you can say Jinapono, Mube Jinabonti and Amokano. Ya bremo wate. Ko na koko butse Nyankopon no ma wadwene na wadwene na yera ye nim ba bi kura wo ma me okonyi nsam wo free ye Mr. Mafumi das bye bye
ya ma me Esther K bari ma na ye tele nka no yemfa nesco misraw ma me ya ma me frempo ma me ba be fro misraw oba okasa mete nka betu mo kasa me kasa wo ntem nka enti oba na wo chia me amaje oso bete bia na wan tem nka bet ubetumi ato aso akasa misrawa enti me fro sisia ai ma me frempo ma me fro a koso ana kasa ye to nka metie na ye kasa wo ntie nka
Yeah, hello.
Hello, mama te saying.
Hello.
Pacho mama tuminka.
Hello.
Hello, mama tuminka. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Pacho tuminka.
Yeah. I say na miss you.
Yeah, the young couple answer. Oh, yeah, dear.
That don't know my five.
Yeah, the young couple answer.
Pantinica, ya koso.
Koso. A quantum.
Then Mama sent a more topic in an idea. Never. As a grand frame, me who yan as a frame.
One more. Well, the Naya Casafa 24-hour economy who do so, and I can once.
And I said 24 economy media or fast. I need to son.
Okay.
24 do so. I say 24 do so. Now, when I'm a 24 do so.
Are you serious, Mom?
Because I found me be anywhere 24 do so. Because I found me, yeah. Do so do so. Standing there, economy, a friend is there, and this is for the Abba.
Yeah.
And a mama, yeah, and a mama, the Abba. Because none I need a swing and I don't know. I do so, no. And to do so, dear, them. I say, I'm in summer and course they say, and Tromwa. Madame and Pa, when I don't know. Do so, dear, the Diaba Hamapa.
I didn't tell Cassa.
Then Mamma Dapa. Oh, maybe I don't son, dear, Tromwa, maybe I am it. I do my 24 economy. You wrote a morning for her, afternoon or night for her. It's morning, your son and a past 6 o'clock. They are doing 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
8 hours.
Yes.
2 so bad now, you're doing 22. I have some 22. Yeah. 10 o'clock, no. 10 night shift, no, no, so start at 10.
Yeah.
They are doing this one of pardons, yeah. And Sunday as I was maybe a good mammy. Machishama or Mamma with time table to follow. Yeah, some table mamma and they good. I was one who follow. Because you're not the man, and to have a modern adult to somebody, and you're so abway.
Yes.
Yet the Musa, you wrote 3 shift 1
MP. Obiape.
Was the Sanya the Anna compliment? I want your banny at Africa.
Oh.
I don't be any wobble where you're going to you.
I would have
Any person will take mamma. Wait, the Okonas you crop. Yana knew was some big a cast do so is back. I was my watching the pack. Mamma, me I can't tell Ghana now with your Nadia show what the moon way at you. I probably watch it here, your brother. Huh? Why when you want to say you do call your mamusu? Oh, my Yama was so much interesting. I think. What is your bravo fan? I made your one channel, one young man, what is your bravo? What about the disaster for the wire gun? Wabe Gugana cry, I don't know what I hear. They say you're quite cheap, crop. A breast on you move forward. You move forward. You move forward. What do $1? And $1 you do it. I want to swear, when your dollars sleeping, so I want you know $1. What you want? I want you on the 15, a year friend is 14. And when your dollar was about you when I walk on. Bank of Ghana dollars do all. A car go on one way the next would the sense to come in our question we said. Me pesa economy the bathroom. Me pesa bathroom. A bathroom was a friend is a costume. That's the one who I knew was here.
Yeah.
What you tell it, the car could first see car that one. To be the best, we send me pesa dollars is what it is. And one was about $5 in the my one was our home chair.
Yeah.
Now I know one as a boy, I was your business and the stick at your coffee. And you come back in, come the back in, and I'm on you and soon, and I will talk by that to her. I dare change Yana and Francis enough with the whom you are next with the pata. What's say and start singing, and Mamma Galan say to at the end, the window were pushing for. Any 2 Galan say this 24 hours economy out there Ghana. Do me say number 1, Galan say number 2. If I want need your mamma, now me bet you when you were pushing for in your ata. But you can know my ancestors near the Amasami and Fini of Osuquachi, and some John.
Yeah.
I mean, Mamma can also one to the Chia. There they are more for Suquachi. Come fee. And some George near the Ukuja Tabro fire to so. Near the Santi and Tia say a Yadas matter, a wine. I can't.
Yeah.
There the account on Swaka. Health Minister, no?
Yeah.
Or no suppose she need anywhere and say. Ah, what chair branch and run a juma and run of Femua. Now, people from 24 bar, one was winning her, one was winning her. Now can I be in the money and yet the Ankamos had the national Naka?
Yeah.
Ah, may say, Yami babies are woman. Yami babies are woman. I made a bonfire say. Chana Betchananka.
Dabida.
Chana Betchananka. I had the yam repawum immediately. I'm repawum immediately. Yabafa to my papa. Chana Betche. Ghana, you confuse your son.